Everett, your real estate superbird, with today's real estate tips about selling your home. There are a lot of things that need to be done just right when selling your home. Pricing it competitively is one of the most important. Lucky for you, Christy's an expert and can help you price your home according to the market. Just send her a message when you're ready to begin your home selling adventure. I can give you a bird's eye view of real estate. If you're buying or selling a home, call Christy Reuter at 386-451-0666. Stay tuned for more tips in the future.